Hello viewer, in my Laragon server I am using Laragon server. Here we have check present version php. So here this 8.2 we are changing the php version. So download php version php 8.5 or 8.4 download from here. So take the php version 0.5, click here. .4 yes, download. This is the source code. Non-thread safe. You can click download this file. So we are downloading this file to check this is updated here, and present time is 18 March 2026. So after downloading, we have already downloaded this. So copy this file and go the PHP location and come here, paste it and copy the folder and create another folder here. Then we move to this folder. Then we move to this folder here. Then use this exact location. Done. So everything is working fine here. So delete this file. Delete this file, and we are copying this file path location. So copy here. Now go to edit variable path edit. This is our old location. Click edit, click paste, delete the semicolon side, OK and OK. Now open the command, click php version. Now is this OK? php version is 8.5. Thank you.